Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how you can make $100 to $300 a day with affiliate marketing, and what is the steps involved in order to make full-time income online with affiliate marketing. As you might know, I do affiliate marketing full-time, and I'm going to explain to you how you can start affiliate marketing and what are the tools you'll need to in order to make money with affiliate marketing. And in first thing, what we're going to be talking about is ClickBank, and also why is ClickBank is going to be the website that you're going to be working with most of the time. And also we're going to be talking about an alternative to ClickBank. So without further ado, we're going to be starting the video right now. So make sure if you guys are new to subscribe and turn the notification on, because in this channel we are here every single day showing you guys how to make money online and how to make passive income online. And if you guys are looking to get my recommendation on how to make full-time income online, the link for that is in my description. And without further ado, let's roll the video. Now I'm here at the back office of my computer, and as you can see, I'm at the clickbank.com. Now, if you guys don't know anything about ClickBank is the very old website for all the affiliate products are available in this website, and it has been around for many years. If you don't have an account in there, so all you have to do is click sign up from here. And I know that some of the people that watch me, they don't have the ClickBank does not work with them in their country. So if it doesn't work with you, I have an alternative, so make sure to stick in with the video, and I'm going to show you the second website alternative that works actually worldwide. Now here, all you have to do is, it's 100% free. You can join for free. All you have to do is fill in the details, and then you will be redirected to the login page so that you can have your account ready in place. All right. And the second website that I have for you guys, which is also alternative to ClickBank, it's called Digistore24. This one works pretty much worldwide. It's somehow better than ClickBank. It has automation and many more. Their design is pretty much better, but there's not that much of products that you can promote. But you can start, if you are very newbie, you can start from here and you can start promoting any products you like. The second thing we're going to be talking about, it's called this website called ClickMagick. Now basically, before I explain what is ClickMagick all about, it's pretty much a tracking tool that you need to use for your marketing, because usually when you are promoting ClickBank products or any actually affiliate products, and you're using paid traffic like Facebook ads and Google ads and maybe email marketing as well, you will need to track everything. Whenever someone clicks on anything, that's essentially where you need to know. And you can add your website, like for example, everything in my description, as you can see, it has my website name, and it has a subdomain. For example, whenever someone clicks on the anything on my description, I can know from where it has been clicked, and also I can know where have they clicked and where have they gone into, and pretty much everything. So that's why tracking tools is very useful, so that you know how many clicks are you getting, from where you're getting, from what country you're getting, and also if there's leads from there, if there's anything. Pretty much that's the essentials of marketing. It's to use a tool to track everything for you. And I use ClickMagick, and to be honest with you guys, this is very cheap. So you can get it for basically $27 per month, and you can use it to start tracking your leads and everything. So it's for example, it says for new marketer who wants to shortcut to a bigger profit, up to 10,000 clicks a month and limited conversion, and all core features. So you can track funnels, you can track custom tracking domain like I use. So whenever someone goes into, for example, this thing, and let's assume that you want to go to Bluehost, for example, right? So for example, you go to tageero.com/Bluehost, and then you click search. It will take you to the Bluehost website, and then that way I will know that someone clicked my link and then they went to Bluehost. So this is very interesting thing, and that's the first thing you need to get into. And you can also get it for 14 days free trial. Like you can start and then start sending traffic in these 14 days, and then you can start making money. Pretty much it's very essential, so you need to use this for your business. Now the second thing what you be using is basically a domain. Like I've spoken about this before. I'll just give you an example for that. Recently I use Bluehost. Bluehost is my number one go-to if I'm looking to buy a domain, and pretty much if you are actually new to the industry and you're looking to make money online, and so you need to have a domain. All right, this is very important. I personally have more than hundreds of domains, and I use them for pretty much everything that I need. If I'm going to promote a new affiliate marketing product, I just go to Bluehost and buy a domain. And if you use my link in the description, you'll get it for less than you get it for $3, because this is my link. You get it for $3. Usually it's $5, $7. So you can get it for with my link cheaper price. Now it's very easy how you can sign up and get a domain. It depends on you on which package you're gonna go with. I pretty much go with basic every time, but sometimes if I'm looking to buy more domains, then I just go with the unlimited. So if you want to have more than one domain, then you just go with the plus, and for starters I just go with the basic one. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And also for the Click Magic, you can also get the link for that in my description, and you will get the 14 days free trial with Click Magic. Now, and then the third thing what I do is I have email marketing. Now everything that I just said, this one is gonna be the killer for all, which is if you are sending leads, if you're working with affiliate marketing and you don't have an email list, then your business is at fail, because you're basically going to be using paid traffic if you are starting out. All right, when you are using paid traffic and you are not sending that to a preach page and collecting leads beforehand before your conversion, then basically you are putting a lot of money on the table, and that's gonna hurt your business in the long run. So that's the first thing. And for me, I use GetResponse. I've used AWeber before, and I'm pretty much affiliate for both. But the reason why I don't use AWeber right now is because their automation is not that great. And the second thing that I don't use AWeber for is it's gonna be very hard for affiliates. All right, like sometimes you get it goes to spam because you are promoting affiliate products. But for GetResponse, I use it now. I've been using it for 5 months now. It's very good, and basically I'm send every email that I send out, it goes directly to the inbox. And also I use it for automation. Their automation is sick, and the best thing that I had with them is the automation. I can pretty much send emails and then set up an automation for my list, and then just forget it for 2 months, and then I can see money rolling in passively. So I use GetResponse for that. So you can also get my GetResponse. There's going to be an affiliate for that. You can also get 30 days free trial, and everything that I'm promoting here, it's not going to cost you anything at the start, except for the domain. All right, for the Bluehost thing, you have to pay it's pretty much, I think, $50 to $70, something around there. Now that's it for this email marketing, and I pretty much send out emails every single day and to my lists. And then I'm trying to also build my list to a bigger, so it's all about timing. All right, now this is gonna be also my back office of my website. All right, I also use something called Pretty Links, and this is also all the links that I use to track my leads, my promotions, and pretty much everything. And I use it for everything basically. So as you can see, all of these are links that I have, and these are all the clicks. This is the date that have been published. And for example, here, this one is for my TikTok, because I am also in TikTok, and I'm getting clicks from here. People are clicking my link in my bio, and also usually all of these are from my YouTube, are coming from YouTube basically. So it's very good. Like for example, if you are not tracking anything right now, and you are literally directing anything without having a mask in between your links, you will never know how many clicks. So you never know if something working. For example, as you can see, my TikTok that I have published around, it has been around 4 days. In 4 days, I have gotten 240 clicks. So that means this one people are enjoying, and they are clicking. This is another launch that I've been doing, which I have changed multiple times. and you can see 160 clicks. And this one also came from my, I guess from my YouTube, 300 clicks. So you can see, and you can actually go and whenever you click, you will know from where the people are clicking, what is their IPI, I mean their IP, the timestamp when they clicked, and also from where they came. This one I was doing Microsoft Bing ads, and also been doing people are clicking from okay.business.today, so business online, so people are clicking from everywhere basically. So because I'm using paid traffic for this, and so that's it for basically that. This is how you know that tracking all your leads are very essential for your business. And the other thing is, whenever you are trying to promote something and you just do direct linking, it will not work for you, because usually if you don't have a landing page and you are just direct linking to people and they are going directly to the website that you are promoting, then if they buy and if they don't buy, so you just have to pray to the God and that they buy something so that you can make money. But if you are doing a bridge page and you have an email, basically an email opt-in page, so that you can get their email, they are going to click and then give you their email if your copywriting is on point. For example, this is one of my this is one of my legendary marketing that I've been promoting for many while now, and you can see that I'm saying, which is, I'm not lying, I'm saying literally exactly how I built $10,000 per month affiliate business online selling other people's products. And then the people, they will be curious and they want to get to know how is that even possible. Then they're going to enter their email in here, and then I'm gonna get their email from here. All right, and then it will direct them to the thank you page, which is basically explaining why they need to join this program, and it will take them to the page to basically to either buy or to either get more information about this. So that's the essential of email marketing and also bridge page. And I use for everything my my funnels, I use a company that is called ClickFunnels, and I've been working with ClickFunnels for I think about a year now, and it's essentially very good. I've had many people saying that ClickFunnels they have made big money from ClickFunnels, because funnel hacking is very something that you need to learn, which is also there's another thing that if you are looking to learn, it's called One Funnel Away. I also have that link, will be in the description. If you are very new to the ClickFunnels, then I suggest you guys to take the One Funnel Away challenge. It's a 30 days challenge that you have to take, and it will pretty much take you on the right path, and you are gonna be good funnel hacker for there, and then you're gonna start business. And it's not very cheap, it's $100. So if you have $100 on a spare to spend on your education, then go for it. I have that link in my description. And so yeah, so and then you can also start 14 days free trial with ClickFunnels using also the link in my description. You'll get 14 days free trial. And also there's, if you are looking to get a free funnel from me, which is my highest conversion funnel, I've been promoting this very many on my TikTok and also on my YouTube. I have a funnel that is giving me a conversion rate of 7%, I guess, no, 15%. Yes, and that funnel is actually generated a lot of opt-ins, and I hope I can find it in here. It's pretty much on my link in my bio, so you can get it from there. Okay, I guess it's this one. Yeah, so this is the funnel. I'm assuming it has similar name. It's not this one. It's not this one. Okay, I'm trying to find it. I have so many funnels, it's very confusing for me. And so pretty much if I find it, I'm gonna show it to you guys, and so that you can start with this. Okay, so let's see this one. No, not this one. Bear with me, guys, it's taking me a while. All right, so this is the funnel. Awesome. Okay, so let's go to the stats so that you can see the conversion rate of this. Okay, it's 36 basically. 36 opt-in rate. That's very huge. The industry, it was 15% a week ago. Now it's 36%. So the industry in the affiliate marketing, if you have 40%, that means you are a boss. Okay, and if you have 15%, that means you are good. So for me, I've had 15%. I was very happy about this, and now I have 36%. That's very good. So if we go back, let's go back and let's filter. Let's see if the percentage is still good. Okay, so it has been 37% for many while now. It's pretty much, and everything here is organic. I'm not using any paid traffic. Usually all of these coming from my TikTok and from my YouTube, and my conversion rate is very good. And as you can see, for how many months now? For 3 months now, my conversion has stayed in the 30%. There's another funnel that I have also. You can get that in the link in my bio and description. You can get another funnel that is also converging really well, which is I think in the 20%, 30 to 20, 15 to 20%. You can also get that, which is, that basically means for every 3 people come in, one of them will literally give me their email. So that's very good. And yeah, so if you also looking to get all of these funnels, you can get it in the link in my bio in the description. And also you'll get it the 14 days free trial if you don't have already. If you have a ClickFunnels account, you can just import them into your ClickFunnels and you're pretty much good to go. Now since we have explained everything, the steps on that, you need to have a ClickBank account or a Digistore account, and you need to have a ClickMagick account, and also you need to have a, that's so many, and you need to have a to buy a domain, and also you need to have a website, an email marketing business marketing website. So now for the traffic, now for me, I use one website for my traffic, all right, and that website that I use, it's called Udemy. Now let me just log in, and I'm going to show you everything here. So I use Udemy, and Udemy basically I buy leads from people, all right, and I buy like from people who have a big email list. Like for example, they have around 100,000, 200,000. I just, whenever I have something to promote, I just come in here, I go to solo deals, and then I choose one that I like, and then I literally just pay them to show my ads into their email subscribers, and it pretty much works all the time. So what I mean by that is that for each all the time, for me, I take so much in depth with this. So I pretty much make a very good funnel with my ClickFunnels account, and then I connect it with my autoresponder, and then once everything is ready in place, I just come in here and then I tell them send traffic into this funnel. They send traffic, and pretty much from they send 100 people, and 20-30 people just opting into my email list. I've been using this guy, all right, I've been using this guy. His solo leads is very cheap, to be honest with you guys, and pretty much every time I buy from him, he over delivers sometimes, and then sometimes he gives me like 20, 30, 40, 50 people into my autoresponder, and that way I get leads. That way also get, sometimes I get people purchasing from me. And yeah, so pretty much this guy, he's very good. I'm not giving you promotion I'm not promoting him, but I'm just giving him a testimonial because he's very good. All right, now on top of that, I'm adding $5 off. Okay, so if you go down, there's a link that says Udemy. If you click that link, you'll get $5 off of your first purchase. If you haven't used Udemy before, using with that link, you're gonna get $5 off coupon that you're able to buy your first your first basically solo ads from this website. Choosing any person you like, you'll get $5 off. So the link for that is also in my description. And I hope you guys like this video. If this video wasn't valuable for you guys and you think I need to give more information about this, just leave your suggestions down in the description, and I'm gonna be very glad to answer all of you guys and give you all my tips that I have for you guys. And just tell me if there's anything that I missed out. And also I have a free training. It's 100% free. There's nothing on your end to I'm not charging you anything. It's called my affiliate marketing guide. It's in the link in my description. Just click that link, and I'm gonna be ready to answer everything. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. If you guys are also looking to make full-time income online, I have my recommendation. The first link in my recommendation, just click there, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.